What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Trick Track Barabum from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down toward the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and back in, and then line that up on the right side. Now along the top of each pupil, add a small circle for highlight. Let's go ahead and fill the inside of the pupils in black, and we want to go around those highlights. And then from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. We're going to come down, and this in, and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to step out and add a fold. Come around, go out. Now I want to pull this in. We want to leave a gap in the center. Do the same thing on the right side. Going around, and then in. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, going up and then down. And we'll draw the end of the stem. From these 2 points, bend this down and out, round at the bottom, go back to the left side, curve this up and then down. Let's add a texture inside. Starting in the center, draw a straight line, move out to the side, bend this down and then out. Now on the side of that stem, we're going to add a fold, going out and up. Let's go back and draw the top of the head. Starting back on the left, I'm going to go up, round up the head, come across, and then down, almost like drawing a large half circle. Let's add a seam across the center. In the middle, draw a straight line going up, go up to the top of the head, and then come down. Let's move out to the side and add one more seam on either end. Let's draw that stem on top of the head. Starting over on the left, bend this up and then in, go to the right side and do the same thing. And we'll bend the stem over towards the right. Starting on the left, going up and then across, around at the end, come in and then down. Let's add those two leaves. We're going to start from this point, bend this up and then down, and do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I want to add some thickness to the stem. Starting from the end, we're just going to taper this so it gets thicker as it comes back in. Now I'm going to surround that stem with the leaf. Let's start from the top. We're going to add a series of curves going around, and we can vary the size. And we want to go around that tip. So come around, and then up, and then work our way across the inside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now, just underneath the head, we're going to draw the body. Let's start on the left, bend this around at the body, and then come up on the right side. Let's leave a large gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to draw the inside of the heel, coming in, and then out towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the foot, going up, down, and then up towards that first toe. Now let's layer that large toe on top. So we step up, curl this around like a circle, come in, and then down. Let's layer two more toes on either side. So on the left, draw a circle coming around. Do that one more time. Now let's go in between those last two toes, curl the foot coming in. Pull that up to right about there. And those vines will sit on top of the heel. So up here, coming down and in, and then bend that down towards the heel. On the side of the body, let's add a fold, going out and up. Now from the top of the foot, we're going to draw the outside leg. Let's start here, bend this up, in, and then up. Let's add a layer, stepping down, going up, in, and then up toward the side of the body. I'm going to add one more, going up. Just tuck that up underneath the head on the side. Now let's go back down and add in the toenails. We're going to start from this point, come around and out, and then curve the front. Let's go to each of these toes, bend this up and then down and behind. Let's go to the top of that first toe, add a seam, coming in and up. Now we're going to go and add some spots across the head. Let's start from the left side. We're going to draw some small ovals, and we can vary the size. And we're going to work our way down towards the bottom. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Trick Track Barabum from Italian Brainrot. Alright, now I'm going to try to draw the same character in under 1 minute. And I'm going to keep this super simple. No tiny details or perfect curves, just the core shapes that define this character. I'm focusing on the leaves on the head and the large feet, because that's what makes this character stand out. This is a great exercise to help develop your observational skills. The continuous movement of your pen forces you to commit to your lines and stay fluid. Now I'll finish this off with the same signature colors. Now I'm going to go even faster with a 10-second challenge. And hey, if you had fun today, hit that subscribe button because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.